Hello everyone! Welcome back to another quick tutorial. In this video, we will see how to block one specific app on iPhone. So let's dive into it. Open the Settings app on your iPhone. Scroll down and tap on Screen Time. Tap on App Limits. Here, tap on Add Limit. Choose by app from the options. Select the app you want to block from the list. Set the time limit to 1 minute or any short duration. Tap on Add to confirm. And that's it. You've successfully blocked one specific app on your iPhone. Now, whenever you try to open that app, you'll be prompted to enter a screen time passcode to unlock it. This is a great way to limit your usage of certain apps and stay focused. And there you have it. With this method, you can check the balance of your Amazon gift card without redeeming it. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon of our channel for more tutorials. Thanks for watching.